Kensington CC are the JCA T20 Jam Blast champions after a comfortable 6-wicket win over Clarendon Cricket Association. This in the final at the Windalco Sports Club in Yorton on Saturday. Here's Renata Brown.
Kensington CC and Clarendon had contrasting routes to Saturday's final. It took a super over to see Clarendon past St. Elizabeth, while Kensington had a 100% win record going in. It was Clarendon who batted first and posted a competitive 159 for 9 from their 20 overs. Clarendon battled to find partnerships, but were unable to construct any meaningful combinations. Jason Wedderburn was entertaining in his top score of 35, while Wayne Davis made an enterprising 26. Ricardo McIntosh also got a start, but like his teammates could not convert, scoring 22 runs. Daniel Griffiths was the pick of the Kensington bowlers with 3 for 27. No set 160 runs for their first hold on the national T20 title. Kensington's openers, led by Ryan Francis, who made 29, took to the Clarendon bowlers in a brisk start. Former national youth player Delbert Gale also scored 29, but the Kensington innings was anchored by man of the match Leroy Lugg, who hit an attacking 59 not out. Lugg was aggressive from the start as Kensington raced to 163 for 4 with 7 deliveries to spare. Krishmar Santoki claimed 2 for 36 for Clarendon.
Yeah, much pleasing. As I said, hats off to the guys. I keep on saying about the training. We have been working hard throughout the competition, and I think it's well deserved for the guys.
First time going into a final with a Clarendon team, so it's a big stepping stone for us. So it's unfortunate we didn't get the trophy, but it's part of the game. We have to go back home, do some work, try and train harder, try and gain some experience from this game, and try and come out for the one day and try, give a good account of ourselves again.
CEO of the JCA, Courtney Francis, says with more support, the hope is to have the T20 bashment annually.
As far as I'm concerned, as at this time, this is our most inclusive competitions to date. All our members want to participate, they look forward to it. They're encouraging us to ensure that we have it again, and so therefore we're working and we're hoping that we can get some more sponsorship next year, so that therefore it can always be an annual event.
The teams will now turn their attention to the upcoming All-Ireland 50 over tournament. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.